And we are in front of an interesting Benimar. It's called the Benimar T430. And this is the complete spec sheet. We shall be entering inside to check actual camper. So this is a layout with a side bed, and then from this side we have the toilet with a cassette toilet, a small sink with a lot of storage options. There are a lot of storage options also up here, the big cupboard from this side. And if we measure this bed, we will be getting, let's check, around 130 and 60 for the widest part, and about almost 2 meters in length. So it's a French bed style. It should be comfortable for two people. From this side we have the two burner stove and the actual sink with two big cupboards over actual kitchen. Going to that side we find entire big long fridge. In front we have the standard Fiat Ducato chassis with this great skylight view, so you get so much sun and light inside. From this side we have another two cabins and the sitting area with a sliding table. It's pretty comfy, nice and easy to step in. We have an additional seat just right here. Exiting out and getting around this Benimar limited edition, we can check the actual storage compartment. It can be also be accessed by that part. Going around, and we shall be checking another time the price point for this camper. And it's starting for 65.995, but end price for this model is 70,005. Nice looking campervan from Benimar.